Hello guys, this is the new television from TCL. This is the brand new 55 C765. 765. This TV will replace the 805 series in Europe, and it is a 2024 2025 model. You can see all the specs on the QD mini LED, 4K, multi HDR formats, motion features, IMAX Enhanced, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, 144 Hz VRR VA technology, the panel. So in the box we discover this the stand, the table-topped stand, consisting of two pieces that we have to assemble. The remote control, which is this one, the remote control, regular one from TCL, has a built-in microphone. So here's the stand. This is plastic, having two metallic bars inside and some elastic pads. And this is the other part, the part that the TV is going here. So you can remove this, it's a cover. And two more metallic bars here. It's going like this. Then you cover it, and the TV goes like here, vertically. Onkyo Ultra Bass. This is the subwoofer. The audio system of the TV is 2.1 channels. So we have here 20 watts here and 10 watts per side for the stereo. There is a button here, emergency button. There is a switch for the microphone here. Here on the side we have the HDMIs, 4 of them, one USB, and then we have optical output and audio, analog audio. So that's the back side, guys, and the mains are here, the mains. So we remove the back panel, let's say the back of the TV, which was removing a few screws. Here is the main board of the television, this one there. Underneath here is the processor. Here is the Class D amplification for the speakers, this one's here and this one's here. Class D amplification. So here we have Class D amplification for the speakers, Class D amplification for the speakers. This is the driving, so the same applies to the other side. We have the same configuration, racetrack driver and a soft dome tweeter, closed box as well. The woofer is closed in this box, having this driver. Its bass reflects the woofer. So as we said, the drivers here are two, one racetrack driver and the other soft dome tweeter in a totally closed box. This is one channel of TCL 765. Very nice approach from TCL to introduce this very well treated audio system. In the middle we have this subwoofer, it's not a subwoofer this small, it's a woofer. Here we see the port for the low frequencies. And this is the driver that is featuring on the TV. This is located exactly on the back in the center of the TV, back center. We see here the special cone of the TV, having a special treatment, special screws to absorb any vibrations. So when covered the power supply, we discover this white board, very well implemented from TCL. We see the mains are going here, the main is going here. Special white glue in order to reduce the vibrations and increase the life of the components. Special heat sinks. So here we have the power that goes to the panel. Here we provide power for the panel, and here we provide the power for the main board, for the processors and for the audio. So it's very well manufactured, because the power supply in this television is very key component. It's not that heavy TV. Don't forget that this is the 55 version. The other key component is hiding underneath here, which is the processor. So it's about time to start checking the television. On the back, a few millimeters above the tabletop stand, we have this elastic pad here that we remove it. in order to do our cable management. Secure them by closing this. The last that we have to do when we install the stand is to put the back cover for the cables like this. You see the corners here to be perfect match. We finished with the tabletop stand. And here is the label, guys, that says 55 C765. So here we have the Google TV platform, the latest firmware. It's Android 12. Mode, we have all these things to adjust. Standard, Smart HDR, let's put it here. We have intelligent settings as well. As we said, it's 720 dimming zones, QLED, quantum dots mini LED VA panel, 144 Hz VRR, dynamic tone mapping, so everything is here. The brightness of this TV is around 1200 nits, and the peak brightness can reach up to 1800 and more. Channels and inputs, display, pictures, sound. Let's check sound, advanced audio processing, Dolby Atmos, DTS Virtual X. It's 2.1 the TV, as we said. Extra settings, equalizer, EQ, TV placement, stand, balanced, digital audio delay, DTS DRC. Audio processing, we said is this one. Additional bass, enhanced definition, reset. Audio output, Bluetooth. We can connect our headphones, Bluetooth headphones here, as you can understand, to listen to the TV. eARC, ARC. Intelligent settings. For picture we have adaptive brightness and adaptive content. Okay, we have intelligent sound as well. We have AI sonic adaptation that is doing measurements here. Only this time, let's do this. Sound field detection, start detection. So we are in a room now that there is darkness, totally dark room, and we are checking to see the TV. We're looking at a video with fireworks. It's nice, high contrast. Even in the well-lit room plays good, this television. I checked it before, but now I check it with a totally dark environment. So as we said, this is the Google TV. Here are the screensaver. We can put our Google Photos. Nice, guys. High brightness this TV. It's very bright. The manufacturer says 1200, but the measurements say 1800. Peak. This is movie. If we put standard, you see. Smart HDR. It's like this. This is channels from TCL channels, you see. I don't receive this channel here. These channels are coming from the web, not from the antenna. Levels test from LG. This is for OLED TVs, but this TV has the potential and the capacity to reproduce it very nice, with nice elements on the screen. You see, you can see whatever you like. You can see details, clarity. So here we're watching some clips from Samsung, from the media player of the television, 4K resolution. Let's check the mode. This is Smart HDR. Let's put it to movie. So we see the colors, very nice the colors, not bad at all for the price of television. Don't forget that TCL has a 800 series above this, 900 series above this, two more lineups above this 700 series. So here we see some colors, some nice images. This television plays the 4000 nits standard for Dolby Vision. Here as well it's stable. So if we go here to picture and then we go to advanced settings and then go to motion, you see we can adjust all this, decreasing the blur and the stutter, or increasing with dynamic acceleration. Here TV increases the refresh rate, the scanning. Got it. So we have to press the remote of the TV now. Explains here game master function. And now we can start playing the game. High frame rate. Okay, high frame rate goes 140 for VRR. RPG, the type of game, let's put it original. Shadow Enhanced, level 1, level until 7, 8, 9 levels we have here. Level 1 is fine. Menu. To calibrate it, you know. We can play it like this if we like, or like this, 32 to 9. That was the presentation of the TCL C765 new television from TCL. Thanks for watching.